Hi guys, today we will be talking about volume by slicing. So, when we are talking about volume by slicing, we generally are asked to find the integral from point A to point B of the area of the function. Remember, this is the area together with the dx. This is what is going to help us find the volume. Okay? So there's two methods. First method is called the disk method. Okay, so let's have a look what this disk method actually looks like. Okay, so y equals let's say y equals x minus 1 squared plus 1 from point -1 to 3. And we are going to do this about the x-axis. We're going to rotate it around the x-axis. Step number 1, always draw the graph. Okay, so this looks like a quadratic graph. It's shifted to the right one and above one. To the right one. We just need a general idea of what it looks like. Right one, and it's gonna move up one, so it's gonna be somewhere like over here. Okay, and they're asking us from -1. This was 1, remember? 2, let's say this is 2 and 3. So let's shade that area so that we know what we are talking about. Next step. So they've given us the endpoints. What we gotta do, what we can do is form small circles, you know? This is what is gonna be our disks. Small circles. And they're gonna be a lot of them from point A, which is -1 to 3. Remember, we have to find the area. So if we take slices of small circles, what is the area of a circle? Sorry, area of a circle. It's gonna be pi r square, right? So we try to put that over here. Okay, so we're gonna put in pi. What is the function? X minus 1 squared plus 1 dx, and remember we're gonna square this pi r squared. So this is what's gonna be our radius. Okay. Now, next step, we got to solve this integral. Let's solve it. So integral from -1 to 3 pi. Now what we could do here is u sub. So let's say u equals x minus 1 du equals dx. Okay, so if we say the x minus 1 is equal to u, so we could say u squared plus 1 to the whole square dx. And what we could do, since this is a constant, we could keep this outside, the pi outside. Now we got to take a squared plus b to the whole square. A plus b to the whole square. So what is a? Let's put that in the side. A plus b to the whole square. If we solve it, and if we try foiling it out, what it comes out to is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Okay, so what is it going to lead? What is this going to lead to? It's going to be u to the fourth plus 1 squared, which is just 1, plus 2 times u squared times 1, which is just, we can just leave it as that, or we could put 1 if we want. Now, since we have all our constants, and we have u to the sum power, now this makes it easy to solve the integral. So, what is it going to be? So using the power rule, it's going to be u to the fifth over 5 plus u plus 2u cubed over 3 from negative 1 to 3. Okay, now we could either, since we changed these values, remember we u subbed. So when we're doing u sub, we always have to check, make sure our bounds of integration are correct, are changed also. So when u equals 3, when u equals 3, the right side is going to equal 3 minus 1 is going to equal 2. Okay, so when u equals negative 1, the right side is going to equal negative 2. Negative 1 minus negative 1, negative 2. Okay, so those are going to be our new bounds of integration. So let's erase these two, and let's put in our new bounds of integration from 2 to negative 2. Now we could go about solving all of this, but what our answer would come out to is 12 pi over 15. Alrighty, thank you so much. I hope you had a good understanding of what volume by slicing is. In the next video, we are going to be talking about volume by slicing through the washer method. Thank you.